Hello! Happy lunchtime! Kain po tayo. Nakita ka. Grabe ang ulan. Magdamag. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Ging Collier. Maulang tanghalian sa lahat. Ingat-ingat po. Kape sa malamig na panahon. Ako lang.
You be quiet. No, I won't be quiet. She needs you. She's fine. You heard her.
Kamatis, maganda sa skin.
Doesn't need me. She needs you. And to be honest, you kind of need her as well.
May natural vitamin E.
Get out of here. I'm gonna make a raft. I'm gonna make a little bonfire thing. And
Eggplant.
I'm never leaving. You cannot be alone for the rest of your life.
Happy lang tayo lahat eh. Bawal sayang. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.